everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete and remove a user from your PlayStation 4. And this is really easy. So you can see all the users on my account, and I want to go ahead and delete one. So just on the home screen of the PlayStation, let's go up to the top and then go on over to settings and select this. Then instead of going to account management, we want to go to login settings right here. Then go on down to where it says user management. Then we can go to delete user, and we can find the user we want to delete. So let's go to this person, and then go to delete, and delete them off my PlayStation 4. Then go to yes. Are you sure you want to continue? Now that user will be removed from your PlayStation. We can go back to the quick menu and go to switch user, and that person no longer displays under my active users now. So it's very easy to delete someone. You can do this in about 1 minute. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.